Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about my December Boxycharm beauty box. Okay, but before we get into the box, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So this is the December base box from Boxycharm, and I like it. I didn't like the box last month because it was just redundant and had a lot of products that I already had, but this box, I am very happy with what's inside. Like I said before in other videos, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription company that gives you five products for 25 bucks. I mean, that's a great deal. It's a steal, especially if you're a beauty lover. So the theme for December is bubbles and glitz. Glitz, maybe for the New Year's, you know. All right. So let's get to the first product. Ooh, the Artist Couture Caliente palette. So turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. So these colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, colorful looks. Oh, this is nice for, especially for New Year's. This is really pretty. And I know I said in my last video that I was tired of the eyeshadow palettes, but I can change my mind. And no, seriously, but this one is more vibrant than the other ones that I was getting. I really like the colors with this one, and these are nice spring colors as well. Let me swatch it. So I'm looking forward to using this palette, and I like the compact design, small. It can fit in my purse. Banana powder. So this is Ofra Cosmetics. This innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. It uses to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer, foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. Okay. This is interesting. So I've gotten my makeup done before by professionals, but I've never used banana powder on my own. So this is something that I am looking forward to. Let's see if it smells like banana. It does smell like banana. They didn't lie. They told the truth. Because I'm very simple with my makeup, lipstick, foundation, maybe some concealer, but yay. Next we have the Elima Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So reveal a soft lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or apply as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. Okay. I like moisturizers, so I'm excited about this. It comes in a bottle this size. Nice size bottle, right? Let's see. Ooh, okay. Let's do that again. And it doesn't smell bad. I've been looking for a moisturizer because the moisturizer that I used before, I ran out. So this came right in time. Just rub it in a little. But they say to use this one in the morning. So I'm gonna use it in the morning. Some eye primer. So this works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. Okay. Looking forward to this too. Product. The last product we have is some brushes. Cruelty-free premium handcrafted brushes, and we have five in the pack. You know, Boxycharm did good this month because I need some new brushes. I need everything in this box, actually. Everything in here. I mean, I don't really need the eyeshadow palette per se, but I do like the colors. So I'm really proud of my box this month. Last month I wasn't too excited about the box, but I'm excited about the box this month. Oh, so the brushes are $45. $45 for the brushes. The moisturizer is $49. The primer is $24. The eyeshadow palette is 30 bucks. And the banana powder is 35 bucks. Okay, so I'm excited about my box, my December box with Boxycharm. They did great this month. I have products in the box that I really like, and I can't wait to start using them. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.